Wednesday and Friday. We have our in-house expert, author, she's a life coach, Dr. Sheila M. Bajaj. Log on to sheila.com for more details. You can reach out to her as well. This is Kismat Connection, where we try and help you out with little aspects that play a huge role in your life.
Kismat Connection. Kismat.
Today we are talking about numerology, and Sheila, you were taking us through characteristics of different numbers.
Yeah.
I think we stopped at number 5.
Absolutely.
But can you just continue and give us a perspective of what different numbers holds and what's the meaning?
Yeah, so now we're going to go to number 6, and number 6 is ruled by Venus. Super lucky people. They have probably the yummiest energy one could ever ask for. I wish I was a number 6. So number 6 people are ruled by Venus, and it's just one of those magnets for success, for fame, for recognition, for living that yummy life that you've always desired. And if a number 6 is listening to this and thinking, I am not connecting to this one bit, it's probably because there are some other kitsch planets that are ruled in, like you're ruled by in your name, or your date of birth has one more planet that's pulling you down. All number 6 people end up making tons of money, either in inheritance, or they end up getting into a relationship or marriage with someone who has tons of money, or they end up just getting it in some kind of jackpot. So that's number 6. But a number 6 person should always get a name analysis to know, are any other planets ruining my chance at all that fame and success? Now we go to number 7. Number 7 is ruled by Ketu. And like number 4, number Ketu is also a planet of struggle and strife. Number 7 people tend to get misunderstood a lot. They go out of their way to do something good, and then it turns around and they become the bad guy. And they don't know how that transpired, So number 4 people also have to put in a lot more hard work to get just average results. And they wonder, this other person's doing nothing and has gotten to this place, and I've put in X, Y, and Z and I haven't gotten to where I should have. So, somehow logic and 2 and 2 doesn't add up when it comes to their life, the whole path and their career graph. So number 7 people should get a name correction by default. I usually say they don't even need a name analysis. Straight away go in for a name correction. Even if you have a Fuddu engine, even if you have like one, bakwas scooter wala engine, you can get like a Rolls Royce engine, right? You can always upgrade. So no matter how neutral or okay your name is, it can always be made stronger to make sure that you attract that. And I tell people, because I'm a number 4 myself, I'm a 4 and 9, and I know the patterns of struggle that I went through, and the name correction that I did for myself did brilliantly for me. So I only speak from that place. Coming to number 8 is ruled by Saturn or Shani, and like everyone knows, Shani, once he's sitting on your head, to matlab, bach ke raho. So number 8 people, a lot of their hard work doesn't yield to any result, or it'll kind of give you hope and lead you on till that last minute, and after that, it just won't happen. Number 8 people also end up having wasteful expenditure, fall sick, some kind of accidents. They're very prone to also psychic attack and nazar. So when someone puts like you go out somewhere and then you end up falling sick, a lot of times that's nazar. People don't realize that, but it's psychic attack and jealousy from people. So number 8 people are very, very prone to that. In fact, number 4, 7 and 8, all three of these numbers are very prone to nazar. They must do things to kind of get rid of that, which we can talk about maybe another time. Now let's go with, and number 8 people, absolutely close your eyes and get a name correction.
Okay.
Your name needs to kind of overpower your date of birth. Number 9 is ruled by Mangal or Mars, a very hot planet. Number 9 people are one of those people who will always stand up for what's right. Okay, the number 9 in a person is always, standing up for justice and, the right thing to do. And whenever they see someone being mean to someone else, they'll always stand up for that. They're very, it's really great if a number 9 person gets into politics or get into some kind of teaching profession. But if they're not in any one of those, and it's a very karmic number, they go through too many life lessons. Actually, whatever profession you're in, if you're a number 9, you're going through a lot of learning lessons and karmic lessons in your life. And number 9 people will absolutely relate to this because it's just a given. I've not met one single number 9 who says, I can't relate to this, you know.
Right.
They'll just go through struggle after struggle. When one struggle is out of your way, another one has already prepared itself. So number 9 people have a lot going on, and they should look at numerology to, you know, get numbers like number 6, like Venus energy or a sun energy in their name, so that, you know, you kind of overpower the number 9 and the learning lessons. You know, we're not here in this lifetime only to learn lessons and only to go through struggle and strife. We want some of that yumminess in the world. So what we aim at in a name correction is, you know, giving you yummy numbers like Venus or Sun, so that, you know, you have good yummy life experiences. You attract fame, success, money, and everything that you deserve.
Next episode, we'll be taking a deep dive into name numerology with Dr. Sheila M. Bajaj. In case you wish to get in touch, you can just reach out to her on Instagram, Sheila M. Bajaj. Look for her. You can always log on to her website as well. That's sheila.com.